What's up, Trinity Gang? Trinity Gang.
What's happening, Trinity
It's your girl, Nay, and your boy, Trey. We on our way to get some Louis, not Lucy's, but Louis. And I'm going to do my unboxing. I just got my package in the mail from, what's that? The crayon case? Where this came from?
I say Wazam.
Yeah, whatever it say. Wazam Super.
Wazam Super.
I got it off of Instagram. I ordered it off Instagram. Yeah. But I'm about to do my unboxing. So, yeah. I'm going to open it from this way. I'm trying to show my address.
Gotta show the box.
I did show the box, man. What you want me to do? Throw it at them?
Yep.
No. Drive the car.
I'm driving.
Oh, I'm satisfied. It's the right window. Hey.
She ripped up the little bag and shit. It was a little pretty bag.
It's a pretty bag. Back
So
there, drive the car.
supposed to show y'all the little pretty.
Drive the car. I want to. I was
Yeah.
wanting my stuff so bad. Okay, it's a little pretty bag. He said little paper, you know. They got some nice packaging and stuff for the little crayon case.
Packaging nice.
Yeah. Here we go, y'all. Thanks to Jalea and Funny Mike when he was in her makeup and stuff. I was like, ooh, I want that. So, girl, thank you, girl. Gotta show how to get it, though. And I'm gonna do a little makeup tutorial. Baby gonna help me. He gonna do my makeup for me. Yeah, you know how to do makeup, boy. It was cute.
I don't.
It was cute. It was cute.
No, I don't.
Yes, you should do. Stop playing. But yes, girl. I remember Funny Mike was putting this on.
My Box of Crayons.
That's cute though. So I was like, I gotta order that. So yeah, tutorial be coming soon, y'all.
Show them the box.
Yeah, babe.
Huh?
If he asked me one more time if I showed y'all that box.
I'm just trying to make sure y'all getting the full view of what she happy about. You feel me?
Drive.
Trinity Gang.
Drive. Alright, y'all. Until next time, just like and
Our fans gotta
subscribe.